Hi friends, I am Vijay and today we will do yoga for seniors. Yoga has two disciplines. One is pranayam, which means breathing exercises. The other is asanas, simple yogic exercise. We will do both, but first we will do breathing exercises. 30 years ago, when I was 50, I started doing yoga and I reduced 40 pounds. Since that day, I am doing it regularly and maintaining uniform weight. I thought that I should share my experience with you. So let us start doing yoga, starting with pranayam. The first pranayam is Bhastrika. In Bhastrika, you inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, like this. It is like a bellow which pumps air into a furnace to ignite fire. Likewise, in this, you are pumping oxygen to your lungs. I'll do it, show it to you. You can do 15 or 20 times, take rest and then do it again. Let us do it again. When you have more experience and if you want better results, you can do it faster also. I'll show you that also. But I recommend for seniors and beginners, it should be done slowly only. This pranayam improves your immune system and calms your mind. The second pranayam is Kapalbhati. In Kapalbhati, you inhale normally but exhale with a force as if you are blowing your nose. And when you exhale, your stomach will go in like this. When you are exhaling, the stomach goes in. I'll do it for a couple of times. You should do only 20 pumping at a time, take rest and do it again. When you get more practice and if you want much better results, you can do it faster like this. But for seniors and beginners, I recommend slow only. This is a very powerful breathing exercise. It improves your digestion, it improves functioning of kidneys and lungs, and it improves your blood circulation. But there is a caution that if you have high blood pressure, do it only slowly. And secondly, either you do it in the morning, empty stomach, or in the afternoon, after taking your food, there should be a gap of 4 hours. The next pranayam is Anulom Vilom. In this, you close your right nostril with thumb, inhale from left, then close the left with these two fingers and exhale from right. Then again inhale from right. show you again. You can do 15 to 20 times, take rest and then do it again. When you get more practice, and if you want to do it longer, you can do it even 3 or 4 minutes continuously. But once again, I will recommend that for seniors and beginners, it should be done only 15 to 20 times at a time. This pranayama also improves the working of your lungs, and it reduces depression, anxiety and tension. Now the next pranayama is Bhramari. In Bhramari, you close your ears with thumb and close your eyes with these two fingers like this. Inhale, deep inhalation, and when you are exhaling, you make a humming sound like this. You close your ears with thumb, close your eyes with this, inhale deep, and when you are exhaling, give a humming sound. I'll do it 5 times for you. Rub your palm and put it on your eyes and slowly open your eyes. This pranayama relaxes your mind and it reduces stress. You can do this pranayama any time of the day and even before going to bed. If you do it 5 or 10 times, you may get a very good sleep. Now we will do simple yoga exercises. Stretch your arms, open your wrist, close, open. And now close your fist and rotate. It helps to make joint muscles. The next exercise is for neck. You make it like this, press it from the back and give equal pressure from front, like this. Stretch, release. Then front, from right, it stretches your neck muscles and try to touch this side. The next exercise is for your shoulders. Rotate hands around shoulder, the other way. It stretches your upper back and shoulder. Now you bend your elbows at 90 degree, move back and squeeze your shoulders. Do it 5 times. It stretches your back muscles. Now you will rotate your entire body. You bring these hands near the toes and rotate fully. It helps in toning your abdominal muscles. Now try to touch your right hand to the left toe. This exercise stretches your upper back and stomach. Now put your toes up, straighten your leg and press your knee down. Stretch. Again. Stretch, stretch. This will strengthen your thigh muscles. Now, before we close, we will do one pranayam. You will inhale, deep inhalation, and when you are exhaling, you will pronounce Om. Om. Thank you very much.